gardeners! Are you still bagging up those leaves and tossing them out? You're throwing away pure gold for your garden. Yes, those leaves piling up in your yard right now can be turned into one of the best all-natural fertilizers for your plants. And guess what? It's super easy to do. Stay tuned because I'm about to show you methods to compost leaves this October and turn that fall mess into garden magic. October means cooler weather, stunning fall colors, and a lot of leaves covering your yard. But instead of treating them like trash, let's treat them like treasure. Those leaves are packed with nutrients your garden craves. Composting leaves not only improves soil health, but also helps reduce the waste we send to landfills. I'm going to walk you through some super simple ways to compost leaves, so let's dive in. Different types of leaf compost. Before we get into how to compost leaves, let's talk about the different types of compost you can make with them. Leaf mold compost, this is the simplest and slowest method. Pile up your leaves, let them sit, and in a year or two, you'll have rich, crumbly compost perfect for improving your soil. Shredded leaf compost, got a shredder or a lawnmower? Shredded leaves break down much faster. By cutting them into smaller pieces, you speed up the composting process. Pea straw compost, a great way to layer your compost bin is by adding pea straw with leaves. It helps keep the compost aerated and breaks down nicely for garden use. How to make leaf compost. Making leaf compost is much easier than you might think. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Collect your leaves first. Gather all those fallen leaves. You can rake them up or use a blower. Aim for a mix of leaves, oak, maple, etc. Variety is key to nutrient-rich compost. Add them to a compost bin. If you have a compost bin, great, just toss the leaves in. If not, don't worry. You can create a leaf pile in a corner of your yard. Turn the compost regularly. This part is important. Every couple of weeks, turn the pile to introduce air, which helps the leaves break down faster. Water the compost regularly. Leaves need moisture to decompose, so keep them damp but not soaking wet. Think of it like a damp sponge. And that's it. With just a little bit of attention, your leaves will slowly transform into rich, nutrient-filled compost. Benefits of using leaf compost. Now, why go through all this trouble? Well, the benefits are huge. Here's why you should start composting your leaves today. Improves soil health. Leaf compost boosts soil structure, moisture retention, and provides your plants with essential nutrients. It's like giving your garden a natural multivitamin. Reduces waste instead of sending all those leaves to the landfill. Composting keeps them out of the trash and puts them to good use. Perfect mulch or potting mix once your compost is ready. It can be used as a mulch around your plants or even mixed into potting soil. Your plants will thank you for it. So this October, don't bag up those leaves and throw them away. Compost them. It's easy, it's eco-friendly, and best of all, it's free plant food for your garden. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with your fellow gardeners, and subscribe for more tips on turning your garden into a thriving oasis. Happy composting!